In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can turn off Wi-Fi for WhatsApp on iPhone. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video.
So first, go to the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down to the bottom and click this Apps section. Once you do so, it's going to bring you to this page, and here you have to scroll through and find WhatsApp and then click WhatsApp over here. Now it's going to bring you to this page, and here you have to just toggle this mobile data option off by clicking it. Once you do so, it's going to just turn off the cellular data for your WhatsApp, and you won't be able to give an internet connection through your cellular data to your WhatsApp. But to turn off the Wi-Fi, you simply have to go to the WhatsApp app, and it's going to bring you to this page, and here you have to scroll through and find this storage and data option. And here you have to click proxy. Once you do so, it's going to bring you to this page, and here you have to click set up proxy. And now just add a proxy address over here. You can add any digits of your choice, just random digits. Or you can just follow what I wrote and then click save. Now simply turn this use proxy option on, and it's going to connect to an address that is not actually an address, that doesn't exist. And it's not going to connect because there is no such address. And here you can see it couldn't connect to the proxy because this address doesn't exist. And that's how you turn off your Wi-Fi for your WhatsApp on iPhone.